Planning a Disney trip? It's the dream vacation, right? But between the parks, the rides, the shows, the dining, and more, it can feel like you need a PhD just to navigate it all. That's why today we're talking about the secret to making your Disney vacation not only magical, but stress-free. Working with a travel advisor who specializes in Disney. Stick around to find out how working with a travel advisor like me can save you time, money, and even unlock hidden magic. Hey Disney fans, I'm Mark, a travel advisor with Destination Magic. I literally spend all day helping clients plan Disney vacations. Disney vacations are incredible, but planning one, it's a marathon. From choosing which park to visit, what resort to stay at, figuring out dining reservations and plans, lightning lanes, or fast passes, or lightning lane multi-passes, or Genie Plus, or whatever Disney is calling those special ride tickets now. Here is where someone like me comes in handy. I handle the nitty-gritty for you. I talk with you and get to know you and then start building packages around you. If you go to some retailer for travel, you'll get a cookie cutter trip. That's terrible. I don't even know you, but I know you deserve better than a cookie cutter trip. Once we settle on the right resort and ticket and dining package for you, I take charge of everything. Linking all the reservations to your Disney app, keeping track of payment and dining reservations, deadlines. I even teach you the best tips and tricks on how to use the Disney app like a pro. I play that app like a video game. It's like my favorite thing. I'll teach you all about it. A great travel advisor takes the guesswork out of everything, whether it's your first trip or your 15th. I'll make sure every minute counts. Hey, and stay until the end, because right at the end, I'm going to give my best tip on using the lightning lanes in the park. My best tip. Stick around for the end. Did you know that a travel advisor can actually save you money on your Disney trip? That's right, despite what you might think, my services are complimentary, which is a fancy way of saying, you don't pay me. I've been to all the parks over and over and over again. I've taken that Disney cruise, and that first-hand knowledge, when added to my diploma from the Disney College of Knowledge, means I do the work for you while you enjoy your trip stress-free. From the best times to ride popular attractions to booking those hard-to-get dining reservations. Did you know that depending on the attraction, there might be 5 different ways to get on that ride? I'll walk you through all of that. I had a client just last week who texted me from Disneyland saying they just saw a really cool restaurant and wanted to try it for dinner. While they went on another ride, I got them the dinner reservation. I've got the inside scoop on hidden experiences and secret spots, things most people wouldn't even know to look for or smell for, in the case of a very clever feature on the Incredicoaster. I know this yummy secret, and so do my clients. Now, imagine knowing that if anything goes wrong on your trip, you've got someone in your corner. Having to sit on a bench in the middle of a theme park vacation to try and dig deep into the Disney app to resolve a mix-up is a great way to ruin your day or your trip. So that's where I come in. From directing someone to a first aid station, changing a dining reservation last minute, or even switching a reservation from Disney World to Disneyland right before the trip, I have the answers. A stress-free vacation is the best vacation, and with me, you get just that. I'll often hear people say, you either have an exhausting Disney vacation where you get to see everything, but then you need a vacation from your vacation when you get home, or you play it casual and relaxed but miss a bunch of things. I know that that's false, that there is a way to do everything without ever rushing, and that means being prepared. Simply put, I get you ready. You might be surprised to know that most of my clients have been on Disney vacations before. So don't take it from me, take it from them. They've been there, done that, and hired me for the next trip. So there you have it. Whether you're a Disney newbie or a seasoned pro who has disappeared into the wonderful world of Disney bounding, a travel advisor can save you time, money, and probably most importantly, stress, while adding a little extra magic to your trip. Ready to plan a vacation of your own? Reach out to me today and let that magic begin. And remember, it only takes $200 to book that Disney reservation. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Disney tips and tricks. See you later, foolish mortals. I promised some of you who made it to the end a little after credit special bonus, so here it is. Here's my best lightning lane trick. When booking a lightning lane, you're going to pick a ride and a certain time. Book the ride. Don't worry about the time. Don't. Book the ride you need. Get the ticket for the lightning lane you need, that ride you have to go on. Get that one. Get it in your app. Get it there. You can modify the time. You click the ride you're going to go on, that you have reserved, you click modify, and you just scroll, you just do the refresh thing on your phone, go up and down, up and down, up and down, and different times will eventually pop in for different reservations, because everyone in the park is changing reservations too. So don't worry about the time. I had once where I booked a 9 p.m. ride, and I booked it at 7 in the morning. By the time I got to the park, I had gotten that ride down to 11 a.m. by using the modify button. Doesn't always work that well, but that's my trick. Pick the ride, get that secure, worry about the time later.